Do you want to tell Elizabeth your story? You want to tell Auntie Elizabeth your story? She wants to hear you making noises. Can you say, ooh, 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 ooh. What else? Tell her. Yeah? Do you love your auntie? Do you love your auntie? Do you love her? Can you tell her you love her? Can you say it? Are you just too excited because you're kicking? Is there too much exciting stuff going on? Huh? What's going on? Don't you want to tell her? Say, I love you, Elizabeth. I love you, Elizabeth. You're not going to say it? You're not even going to look at me? You're not even going to look at me? What are you doing? Say bye-bye, Elizabeth. Oh, Diva doesn't want to perform anymore. We love you, Auntie. We love you. And Sadie's not looking in the camera anymore.